A luxurious dish of rice crowded with chicken, spices and sometimes dried fruits and nuts. It is a popular Middle Eastern rice dish. Every spoonful of chicken majboos has a royal indulgence. So here is the recipe showing how to make chicken majboos. So let's see the process. In a bowl, add 750 grams of chicken large pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Mix well and set aside for 30 minutes. In a large pan, add half cup ghee or oil. Goes in 2 bay leaf, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom, 1 star anise. Fry this for few seconds. To this I am adding 2 finely chopped onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. Add 1 dry lemon. Goes in 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Give this a good mix. Add a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Cook this for few seconds. And now adding 1 cup tomato puree. Mix well. Add 2 teaspoons salt, adjust as per your taste. And cook this for 10 minutes till the raw smell goes off. To this I am adding the marinated chicken pieces. Give this a very good mix. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes till chicken becomes tender. Once done, remove the chicken pieces and set aside. Add 1 chicken cube. Mix well. Now adding 5 glasses of water. Close the lid and bring it to boil. Add 3 cups of soaked basmati rice. Cook this for 5 minutes. Once rice is completely cooked, simmer flame and cook for 5 minutes. Once the rice is done, remove dry lemon and bay leaves before you serve. Once done, set aside. Now heat 1/4 cup oil in a pan. Place the chicken pieces. Fry this till it becomes golden brown on both the sides. Once done, remove it and set aside. And now chicken majboos is ready to serve. Transfer this in a serving bowl. Place the fried chicken pieces on top. And garnish with some fried onions and some chopped coriander leaves. If you want, you can also give charcoal smoke and serve immediately. So it is considered a national dish in Arabic Gulf state in the Middle East, one of the popular dishes in Kuwait that is commonly served among Kuwaiti families. Well, trust me guys, this is such an easy recipe and it tastes amazing. So try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. You can also follow me on Instagram page shimis.kitchen if you would like to brighten up your feed with delicious food ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification once we post a new recipe. See you with more such amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.